So this is my rational equation. The first thing I'm going to do is look for a least common denominator. So for this equation, the least common denominator is going to be x times x minus 2. So we're going to take this least common denominator and multiply that by the whole equation. So each part. So x times x minus 2. Kind of hard to read, but whatever. Okay, so this denominator here is just going to get canceled out. So we'll just be left with 10 plus, and then this is just going to cancel out the x here, which will leave us with 4 times x minus 2, and then equals this side. For this one, just the x minus 2 is going to be canceled out. So we're going to be left with 5x. And then we're just going to get rid of these parentheses here, so we'll have 10 plus 4x minus 8 equals 5x, and then just combine like terms. So we'll subtract 4x from this side, and then we'll be left with x over here. Well, 4x from both sides, sorry, and then x will be left over here. And then 10 minus 8 is just 2, so the answer to this one is 2. X equals 2. Okay, and then for my second equation, I'm going to do a radical. So the equation will be square root of x plus 10 equals x plus 4. So the first thing we're going to do is square both sides so we can eliminate the square root over here. So then we'll be left with x plus 10 equals x plus 4 squared. So then we're going to write out this side. So it's x plus 4, x plus 4, and then FOIL it. So x squared plus 4x plus 16 plus another 4x. And then when you add like terms, you get x squared plus 8x plus 16. And then on the other side we still have the x plus 10. Okay, and then we're going to subtract x from both sides and subtract 10 from both sides. So then we're left with x squared plus 7x plus 6. And then to factor that, once we factor that, we get x plus 6 and x plus 1. And then we'll take each of these, don't need that parentheses, equal to 0, and then just solve for x. So minus 6 on both sides, x equals negative 6, and then minus 1 from both sides, x equals negative 1. And then to check our equations, we'll just plug in, we'll start with negative 6. Plug negative 6 into the original equation, so negative 6 plus 10 equals negative 6 plus 4. So negative 6 plus 4 gives us negative 2, and then negative 6 plus 10 gives us positive 4. So square root of 4 is 2. So that gives us this, which is not a true statement. So negative 6 cannot be an answer to this equation. So then to check this negative 1, we're just going to plug it in again. So negative 1 plus 10 equals negative 1 plus 4. So this side is going to be negative 1 plus 4 equals 3. And then this side, negative 1 plus 10 equals 9. So square root of 9 is 3. And that's a true statement. So the correct answer for this one is x equals negative 1. And that's it.